Hey, James. So, episode 10, right? And we're talking about competitor spying. It sounds a bit cloak and dagger, but I'm genuinely curious. Why is it so absolutely crucial for an affiliate marketer to, poke around and see what others are doing?
Right, Emma. Cloak and dagger is a brilliant way to put it, isn't it? But honestly, it's less about spying and more about, well, strategic awareness. You see, the thing is, in affiliate marketing, you're not operating in a vacuum. Your competitors, they're not just, other people. They're benchmarks, really. They're telling you what's working, what's not, what new niches are emerging. It's like, imagine trying to play a game without knowing the rules or what your opponent's moves are. You're just guessing. And in this game, guessing can get quite expensive, you know?
That makes a lot of sense. So, it's not just about trying to copy them then, it's more about understanding the landscape, I guess.
Precisely. It's absolutely not about direct copying. It's about learning. It's about spotting opportunities you might have missed, identifying potential threats to your own strategy, and frankly, just understanding market demand. If several competitors are all ranking for a particular set of keywords, well, that's a pretty strong signal, isn't it? Or if they're all promoting a certain type of product, it indicates there's a significant buyer intent there. It helps you de-risk your own ventures, if that makes sense.
Okay, so I'm convinced we need to be doing this. But what are we actually using? What tools are out there that can help us, actually see what these competitors are up to? Because it's not like they're just going to publish their secret affiliate income reports, right?
Ha! Wouldn't that be grand, eh? No, they certainly won't. But fortunately, we live in an age of incredible digital tools. For a start, you've got your absolute heavyweights like SEMrush and Ahrefs. These aren't just for general SEO. You can plug in a competitor's domain and see their top performing keywords, their backlink profile, where they're getting their links from, and even their paid ad strategies. Super powerful stuff. Then there's SimilarWeb, which gives you traffic estimations, geographic distribution of their audience, traffic sources. It's really, really insightful.
Wow, so you can actually see where their traffic is coming from too? That's wild. What about specifically for ads, like if they're running Google ads or something?
Absolutely, Emma. For ads particularly, SpyFu and Adplexity are phenomenal. SpyFu will show you pretty much every keyword your competitors have bought on Google Ads, the ad copy they're using, and even how much they're spending. Adplexity, well, that's a bit more advanced for specific affiliate ad campaigns, showing you native, push, pop, and mobile ads. It's truly eye-opening to see the specific creatives they're running, the landing pages they're sending traffic to, and the offers they're promoting.
Okay, those tools sound amazing for general competitive research. But how do we specifically crack the affiliate code? How do we figure out if they're affiliates and what products they're actually promoting and through what networks? That seems like a much harder nut to crack than just keywords.
Excellent question, Emma. This is where you put on your detective hat. First off, look for disclosures. Many ethical affiliates will have a small disclaimer at the top or bottom of their content stating that they use affiliate links. It's a dead giveaway. Secondly, scrutinize their content for product mentions. If they're reviewing a specific product or service, check those links. Often you'll see common affiliate link patterns like Amazon.to for Amazon, or tracking IDs from networks like ShareASale or ClickBank in the URL structure. You can also use browser extensions that highlight affiliate links.
Oh, that's really clever. So actually clicking through, but just being aware of the URL structure. Are there any other telltale signs or maybe specific places you'd look?
Yes, absolutely. Look at their landing pages. What kind of offers are they pushing? Are there discounts, bonuses? See if they're creating dedicated best-of lists or comparison articles. Those are often affiliate-driven. Pay attention to calls to action too. And a big one is to track products that are consistently promoted across multiple competitors. If everyone's pushing a particular SaaS tool or an info product, there's likely a very lucrative affiliate program behind it. And that tells you quite a lot about what's performing for them.
So we've got the tools, we've found their affiliate links, but it can't just be about the numbers and the links, right? What about the actual content? What kind of angles are they taking? The creative side of things.
Spot on, Emma. The numbers tell you what they're doing, but the content and creative tell you how they're doing it and why it might be resonating. You need to really dissect their content. What's their writing style? Is it educational, review-based, problem-solution focused? What's the tone? Are they using compelling storytelling? Look at their headlines, their introductions. How do they hook the reader? What kind of unique value proposition are they offering that perhaps you aren't?
That's a really good point. So it's almost like understanding their brand voice and like what makes them unique in the reader's eyes, right? And I guess how they're convincing people.
Precisely. And don't forget their calls to action. How are they phrasing them? Are they subtle or are they really pushing hard? Are they using social proof effectively? Testimonials, user-generated content? Look at their visual elements too. The images they choose, any custom graphics or videos. Are they using case studies? All of this builds a picture of their overall strategy and you know what's making their content convert. It's about finding their secret sauce, so to speak, but also finding areas where you can innovate and do it even better.
Okay, so we've done all this digging. We've got our intel, we've got the tools, we know how they're doing it, what they're promoting. Now what? Like, how do we actually turn all this, competitive spying into something that helps us make more money and improve our own affiliate game?
That, Emma, is the absolute million-dollar question, isn't it? It's where the rubber meets the road. First point, identify market gaps. If everyone's promoting product A, but you notice a similar, perhaps even better product B with less competition, well, there's your opportunity. Second point, refine your own content strategy. If you see a competitor's article ranking really well for a certain keyword, don't just copy it, analyze it. How can you create something 10x better, more comprehensive, or with a fresh angle? Improve your SEO by targeting their weak keywords or outranking them on strong ones.
So like finding the gaps and then just trying to really optimize what we're already doing, but making it even better. That makes sense. What about like new product ideas or maybe even new traffic sources?
Absolutely. Third point, discover new product opportunities. If they're consistently pushing a certain type of offer, it signals demand. You can then explore similar products or even negotiate better terms for that same product. Fourth point, optimize your ad campaigns. If you're running paid traffic, seeing their ad copy, landing pages, and even keyword bids can save you a fortune in testing. You can identify what creatives are working for them and adapt your own. And finally, learn from their failures. If a competitor suddenly stops promoting a product or pulls an ad campaign, that's also valuable intelligence, isn't it? It could indicate low conversion rates or an unprofitable offer, saving you from making the same mistake.
This has been super insightful, James. But, there's always that line, right, between like smart competitor analysis and just outright copying. What are the ethics around this, and how do we stay ahead without just being, a mimic?
That's a vital point, Emma, and something we absolutely must address. The line is indeed crucial. Our goal with competitor analysis is learning and adaptation, not plagiarism or direct imitation. We're looking for inspiration, market insights, and strategic gaps, not to lift their content or copy their entire business model. Ethical affiliate marketing is about providing value, building trust with your audience, and creating your unique brand. So when you're looking at what others are doing, think, how can I do this better? How can I put my own spin on it? What's my unique value proposition here?
Right, so it's about like understanding the trends and then innovating on top of that, rather than just, duplicating. What about how often should we be doing this? Is it a one and done thing?
Oh, absolutely not, Emma. The digital landscape, particularly in affiliate marketing, it's a living, breathing, constantly evolving beast. Competitor analysis isn't a one-time project, it's an ongoing process. You need to schedule regular check-ins, perhaps monthly or quarterly, to see what new campaigns they've launched, what products they're now promoting, and how their rankings have shifted. Staying agile and continuously monitoring means you're always informed, always ready to pivot, and always ahead of the curve. It's about consistent improvement and truly mastering your niche. That's how you win.